Alaikum. I'm Alia. That's my baby sister Miriam. Today we're making cupcakes. There's a lot of customers outside. We better hurry up, Miriam, and make some cupcakes. And let's start it.
Before we make cupcakes, let's say Bismillah. Bismillah means in the name of Allah.
First, we're going to open the cake batter box. It's so hard to open. Now we're going to grab a big bowl. Now we're going to pour the batter in the bowl. Ooh! It has so many colors inside. Blue, orange, purple, pink. Oh, there's something yellow. Now we're going to pour water inside the bowl. Now it looks so yummy. Now we're going to put a half a cup of oil in the bowl. It looks like egg. Now we're going to crack 3 eggs inside the bowl. Ah! Yikes. Now it's my turn. Oh my god, Miriam, oh my gosh. Make it up. Na 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 na. Ooh, ready. It looks a bit like egg. It smells so good. Hurry, Mary, we have customers outside. Okay. It's you popping, Daddy. That would be enough. Like butter. Because it is. No, it isn't. Now we're going to put the cupcake liners inside the cupcake pan. I put 6 cupcake liners. I put 6 too. Now we're going to put the cake batter in the cake pan. Oh, yikes. Ooh, blend me. Now we're going to put the cupcakes in the oven. I'm going to set the timer for 20 minutes. Now we're going to make colored frosting. First, I'm going to make the pink frosting. Now I'm going to get my stirring stick. I'm going to make it with you. It's hard. I need to like mix it. Mom, I need a hamburger. I like this candy. I like it. Next, we're gonna make the yellow frosting. Now we gonna make it.
Right.
I'm crying too. While my sister is going to fix the yellow one, I'm going to do the brown one. Looks like black. It's a smiley face. It looks like chocolate. Then we're gonna do brown. If you get something on the finger, you can just lick it. So I made some green frosting on the side, and I'm gonna use it for the grass. Now I'm gonna put it in the bag. It's a bit hard. I'm gonna put the toothpick inside the cupcake to make sure if it's ready. It's ready! It's ready! So I'm gonna make a pig. I'm gonna make a chicken. So I'm gonna get the eyeballs, the big ones. It's not even here. And I'm gonna get this. This is the nose. We need the jelly beans to make the ears. One and a Now I'm gonna put little dots to make the nose. I can't even get this to stick. Well, looks nice. I made it big. I accidentally messed up the nose. I'm making a cow by putting white on the cupcake. So I'm gonna make the black dots on the cow to make it look like a cow. Now I'm gonna get candy for the eyes. Oh. Now I'm gonna make the nose. I need this to put dots. Of course. Now I'm gonna use the jelly beans to make the ears.
What's your favorite farm animal? Tell me in the comments below.
Don't these animals look so cute? I hope you enjoyed the video. Assalaamu Alaikum. Oh wow, I'm done. I'm hungry. I'm ready for the grass. I don't even eat grass. Bye. Yummy. E-I-E-I-O. Maria.
Okay, let Miriam do it. Miriam, stand over here. Alia, move out of the way. Miriam, stand over here in the middle.
Now that is yellow. So I'm gonna put this toothpick inside. Inside.
What are those, Alia? You forgot?
Ah! There's a spider!
Oh my God.
Mom! On his farm, he had a sheep. E-I-E-I-O. I don't know what they say. Blue, blah, 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 blue, blah, blah. So good. Ooh!
It looks super cute.
It's so cute.
More.
Do you like my mustache, guys? Do I look pretty? Did I clean it, guys?
Okay.
In the oven.
Okay.
Ow.